I'm going to show you how to use a tool called Proko Classroom and how to use it on your iPad so that you can do timed figure drawings. If you type in proko.com, it is a website that is created by a guy named Stan Prokopenko. Here's how it works. I'm going to use the Graphit reference sampler and the Satine reference sampler. And what you do is you add to your session. And so we're going to start off with 5 1-minute drawings. So if you hit start session, and here it is, and you're like, okay, that's cool, but what are we going to draw on? Well, I'm glad you asked, because we're going to put this to the side, and we're going to come over here and we're going to open up Procreate. What we're going to do is we're going to start a new canvas, and I'm going to use what's called a letter size portrait. If you come up here to the wrench, which is the toolbox, you want to set up page assist. And what page assist does is every time you want to start a new page, all you have to do is click new page. So for instance, let's draw something on there. Right, so we've got this drawing, and let's say, okay, the timer has gone on, it's time to move to the new pose. I'm going to click new page, and I got a blank page, so now I can do like a square. Now I can go back to the first one, I can go to the next one, now I can hit new page, and I have a triangle. And so you can see it's just a quick way to like flip to your sketchbook, go to the next page, because these timed drawings are going to be coming at you really fast. Now, here's where the magic happens. Whenever you touch the screen, just anywhere, just touch once, these 3 dots appear at the top of the screen. There's also this little curve that happens at the bottom corner of your screen. And if you grab that corner and drag it, you can actually resize the window. And you can see my other window is over here. If I drag this, now I can have both windows open at the same time. And I can put them side by side. So now I can sit on my couch and do timed drawings, which is so cool.